Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Welcome to HydrogenHub, your live investment intelligence platform. Dive into real-time hydrogen company discovery and investment scoring, all at your fingertips. Explore the real working platform at h2hub.energy.com, where actual companies, real scores, and live data come together seamlessly. Perfect market timing is founded in the hydrogen growth window. Our machine learning investment analysis provides every company with a comprehensive investment score across 4 dimensions: technology differentiation, market timing, team experience, and geography access. Discover real companies like Champion Systems and Superior Systems, founded in 2021, with key insights into perfect market timing within the hydrogen growth window. Leverage advanced search, AI analysis, priority ranking, and direct access tools to filter companies by technology, geography, and founding date, ensuring you make informed investment decisions. Our data science suite tracks 2,989 companies with a 94% data quality score, adding new insights every 24 hours. Advanced analytics features include deal sourcing algorithms and market growth predictions. Generate deal flow, conduct due diligence research, and track market intelligence with timing analysis. Discover companies founded in 2021 with perfect market timing, like the Netherlands Hydrogen Cluster. Explore geographic investment intelligence with real-time global coverage, tracking hydrogen expansion in the US, Germany, Australia, and the UK, with automated change detection. Analyze technology segments including supply chain finance, platform technologies, and systems integration. Companies are automatically categorized by technology focus and market segment. Key AI insights reveal companies founded in 2021 during the hydrogen investment boom. Our platform consistently identifies optimal market entry timing through growth window analysis and predictive intelligence. With systematic classifications, our AI-powered priority ranking filters investments by high, medium, and low priority, analyzing 2,989 companies to streamline your investment process. Track company growth stages and hiring patterns with size analytics, classifying investment stages from startup to scale up and growth, ensuring you target the right opportunities. Navigate the live platform at h2hub.energy.com/data tools, offering real access, verified company profiles, and instant results with functional investment scoring and ranking. Our multi-factor investment analysis combines technology, timing, team, and geography into actionable scores, with priority filters and direct research access for comprehensive market intelligence. HydrogenHub offers instant AI-powered scoring and centralized database access, outperforming weeks of manual research with complete market coverage and proven results. Choose from professional, premium, or enterprise access plans, offering complete database access, API analytics, and custom integrations to suit your investment needs. Achieve 90% faster deal screening and 3 times more qualified opportunities with an average investment score of 65, backed by real platform evidence and immediate access. Visit the platform, explore data, filter results, and export leads with immediate access to investment intelligence across 4 factors, ensuring you start building your investment pipeline today. Access the platform now to transform your investment process with 2,989 companies ready to analyze, live updates, and a 94% data quality score, offering real hydrogen investment intelligence. Thank you for exploring the live hydrogen investment intelligence platform. With AI scoring, investment tools, and deal flow, over 1,000 companies are ready for smarter investing today. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode and